This workflow works with all major coding agents in the current setup, and it stays fully local. The post that kicked this off is simple. Microsoft shipped a Python tool called MarkItDown, and it exploded on GitHub. No flashy launch video, no giant landing page, just a repo and a blunt promise. Give it messy files, get clean Markdown back. So instead of repeating the hype, I pulled the repo, checked the docs, ran the tool locally, and built this review from the real source material. The reason this matters is not the name. It is the bottleneck it attacks. Every team building retrieval, agents, or document workflows hits the same mess. PDFs carry weird structure. Word files hide formatting junk. PowerPoints split meaning across text boxes, speaker notes, and images. Excel is worse when a human made it look good for a meeting instead of for a parser. MarkItDown takes that pile and converts it into Markdown that language models actually handle well. Headings stay headings. Lists stay lists. Tables usually stay tables. Links survive. And that means less cleanup before you send the content into a model or a search index. The source post links straight to the GitHub repo, so that is the primary evidence. I verified the repo, the README, the package pages, and the current metadata. At review time, the project was sitting above 102,000 stars. The README lists a broad format spread: PDF, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, images, audio transcription, HTML, CSV, JSON, XML, zip, YouTube URLs, EPUB, and more. There is also a separate MarkItDown MCP package, which matters because it turns this from a one-off converter into something agent tooling can call directly. There is also an OCR plugin package, which extends the system when documents bury text inside images. Because the post had no official demo clip, I created the proof section from the repo's own sample files and real local runs. I installed MarkItDown in a clean virtual environment, then converted the bundled test PDF, DOCX, PPTX, XLSX, and EPUB files. The results were fast. The sample PDF converted in about half a second on this machine. The DOCX and PowerPoint examples landed at roughly 0.4 of a second. Excel was in the same range. The output is the part that matters. The PDF came out with headings and readable paragraphs. The PowerPoint export preserved slide boundaries and visible text. The spreadsheet became Markdown tables. It is not magic. It is not perfect desktop publishing. But it is exactly the kind of structured text handoff you want before RAG or agent ingestion. There are two product angles that make this more than a command line toy. First, the Python API is tiny. The README shows a basic MarkItDown object, one convert call, and direct access to text content. That makes it easy to drop into ingestion jobs, back-office automation, and agent pipelines. Second, the MCP package makes the converter callable from local agent tooling. The package README is very explicit about the security model. It is meant for local use with trusted agents, and it binds to localhost by default when exposed over HTTP. That line matters. It tells you the team understands this is most useful when an agent can transform documents without shipping them off to some random hosted parser. The OCR package is also worth calling out because it shows where this project can stretch. The base tool already handles a lot of text-heavy documents, but real business files are full of screenshots, scans, and embedded images. The OCR plugin uses the same language model client pattern MarkItDown already supports for image descriptions, so the extension path is consistent with the main product. That means the real story here is not just file conversion. It is normalization. You take ugly, inconsistent, multi-format source material and turn it into a cleaner text layer that downstream systems can reason over. That is why the tweet resonated. This is the boring middle layer that most agent demos skip, even though it is where a lot of production pain actually lives. Very briefly, this is also why fully local agent workflows are getting more interesting. If you want the orchestration layer around tools like this, Conductor.com and the Conductor OSS repo are the bridge. You can wire document conversion into a setup that works with Codex, Claude Code, Gemini, and the rest, while keeping the workflow local and inspectable. That is the only Conductor detour here, because this video is really about MarkItDown itself, not a platform pitch. So the sober verdict is this. The source post is hypey, but the core claim holds up. MarkItDown is a real utility with a real use case, solid repo momentum, and a clean fit inside modern AI ingestion workflows. There was no official launch clip to reuse, so I built this review from the repo, the docs, the package pages, and live local conversions. And that same current setup still works with all major coding agents while staying fully local. If you want the links, the repo is Microsoft/MarkItDown, and the agent wrapper I mentioned is at conductros.com and the Conductor OSS GitHub repo.